Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but super useful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to uncover and manage your hidden favorite drawing toolbar in TradingView. If you've ever scratched your head wondering where your favorite tools went after hiding them by accident, or if you just want to declutter your workspace temporarily but don't want to lose your drawings, this video will walk you step by step through the process. By the end, you'll know how to hide and unhide your drawing tools like a pro, making your TradingView experience smoother and a whole lot more organized. Alright, let's dive right in. So let's say you have a long position open, or maybe you just have a few drawings and indicators cluttering up your chart. You might want to hide some of these temporarily to get a clearer view, or perhaps you've already done that but aren't quite sure how to bring them back. First, take a look over at your tool menu, which is usually found to the left of your TradingView screen. Here, where all your drawing tools, things like trend lines, rectangles, or the long position tool are stored. Now, if these tools are taking up too much space or you simply don't need them visible right now, it's very easy to hide them. What you'll want to do is click the small group of three dots. Think of these as the More Options button just below the tool menu. Once you click the three dots, you're going to see a drop-down menu. In this menu, there's an option labeled Hide. Go ahead and select Hide. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your drawings or your setups. It simply hides them from view so you can focus on your chart without distractions. It's a bit like temporarily putting away your art supplies while you evaluate your canvas. But what if you want to fine-tune what's hidden? Maybe you only want to hide your drawings but still see your indicators or your positions. No problem. For that, look over to the drawing panel. You'll see a little eye icon, which is the universal symbol for visibility or hiding things. When you click this eye, another menu pops up, and this is where you get to choose exactly what you want visible and what you want hidden. In this menu, you'll see several options. Hide drawings, hide indicators, hide positions and orders, and even hide all, which is kind of like wiping your slate clean for a moment. To specifically hide your drawing tools, perhaps those lines, shapes, or long short positions you don't want to see right now, simply select Hide Drawings. Once you click that, poof. Your drawings will disappear from view, but rest assured, they're still there in the background, safe and sound. And if you're ever worried you've lost something you haven't, you can always bring them back by clicking again and toggling the visibility. That's really all there is to it. These simple steps can make a huge difference when you're analyzing charts and need a clear or customized workspace. Remember, don't worry if it takes a moment to get used to where these buttons are. After a few tries, it'll become second nature. Alright, that's a wrap for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any other TradingView questions or if you ran into any issues while following along. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step trading tool tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.